How to allow camera permissions on Chrome. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me show you on how to enable camera on Chrome on Android device. Without further ado, let's begin. You need to navigate to Chrome web browser. Long press on the app icon. Select I button. Then you will access app info page. Tap permissions. Scroll down, look for the camera permissions option, tap on camera, and among these options select allow only while using the app. Come back and the permission has already been enabled. So in this way you have successfully allowed camera permissions on Chrome. If you wish to disable, you need to go back to the permission page of Chrome, choose camera and then tap don't allow. This will disable camera permissions on Chrome. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.